decide on a question. Let's do it. The question is, check if the given string is palindrome. Check if the given string is palindrome.
Can you repeat, Manish?
Check if the given string is palindrome. Do you guys know the meaning of palindrome? I asked, do you guys know the English meaning of palindrome?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Palindrome means those words which you read it from the right hand side or left hand side, they are exactly the same, right? Like dad, DAD, DAD. Like mom, MOM, MOM. Like madam, MADAM, MADAM. Like radar, RADAR, RADAR. I hope you got my point. Those words are called as palindromes. So you can see here, there are so many English words who are actually palindrome in nature, like rotator. Rotator from starting or from ending, they has to be read as same. Madam, as I told you, radar, as I said you, right? Civic, 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 LEVEL, LEVEL, NOON, NOON. I hope you guys are clear now what is palindrome.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, we need to write a program to check if the given string is a palindrome, right? To check if the given string is a palindrome, the first thing you have to do is whatever the input that you have to first reverse it. And then you need to compare it. You need to compare the input with your output. Are they both equals to each other or not? I hope you guys remember yesterday or some days ago, or maybe day before yesterday, some time ago, we have also used a method called as equals method. You guys remember equals method?
Yes.
Equals method can compare whether the two strings are equal or not, right? So in this way, we can solve it. Watch out. So someone can open the code of reverse a program. Any person? Any person can share the screen of. Oh, I need a Windows laptop, sorry, because I don't have a control over Mac OS. Any other person? Any person?
So MacBook we cannot share, right?
You can share and you can run by yourself, but I can't do from my end.
Oh.
So guys, you can see here. So we have, let's take our input as what we had yesterday. Let's take the input as madam today. And let's see its result. Input is madam, output after reversing is also madam, right? Now we can put a condition. If input is equals to output, then I can say something. Then I can say that, yeah, if input dot equals to is equals to true, then I can say that it is palindrome. You guys agree with the line 15? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is your if. and this is your else. So you can run this and you can see the output is, it is a palindrome, right? Whatever is not needed, please don't print it all the time. It's not required. So whatever is not needed, you need not keep printing it all the time. So, or this one you can definitely print, no problem. So I'm running this program again. Input is madam, output is madam, and it is a palindrome. Now input is Manish. Input is Manish, output is something, and it is not a palindrome. Easy problem. I hope you all have understood now, right? Whatever problem that I have done yesterday and today is one of the most famously asked interview question. You might understand this after attending 10 interviews, but I'm letting you know this today that these two questions can be asked to you guys in almost every interview. Please remember, right? So reversing a problem and checking if if the given string is a palindrome or not is one of the most asked interview question. Please note down a question. The question is, find out the current time, future time, and the past time in Java. Find out the present time, future time, and the past time in Java. Why do you need a future time? Why do you need a future time? In present time, why do you need a future time? To book something in future? I hope you understand I hope you're understanding. I need to book a flight on this Sunday. So I need a future date, right? To get the future date, I need this kind of things. I need to do a hotel booking for 31st of December 2024. That means I need a future date. That's what I'm talking about, right? So there is a predefined class in Java which will give you the future date. And the reason I'm solving this problem because here I will teach you some concat methods. Remember yesterday I have already explained you what is
Yes,
concat? Concat means concatenation.
adding the two string values.
Yeah,
And
combining the two strings, right? So guys, in this problem which I'm teaching you today will help you to think little out of the box and do a lot. Watch out. So I need someone to share screen. Supriya, you want to share?
Sir, two times I have done, but you told that it is not getting shared from my side.
Okay. Actually, I told to Supriya Phule.
Okay,
No
okay.
issues, no issues. Create a new class, please. I'll do from here. Thank you. Please give me access, Supriya. Thank you. Thank you. Don't touch your keyboard and mouse, Supriya, because I'll lose access. Thank you. Thank you so much. All of you can see my screen?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Yes.
I don't know, should I say my screen or Supriya's screen? I mean, I always say my screen. That's fine. So guys, you can see there is a class with a main method. And now guys, I'm letting you know today that in Java, there is a class called as date class. In Java, there is a class called as a date class. Supriya Phule, I need to access your browser also today. So as per me, you have shared only your Eclipse. So I'm not able to launch your browser. I need browser to teach something. So can you share your entire screen, please, Supriya? I'll do in my laptop, no issues. So So guys, just want to let you know that there is a date class we have in Java, which can help you to get the present date, past date, future date. So date D1 is equals to new date. Once after writing, you have to import it. It is giving you two options, one to access from SQL package, one to access from util package. Please remember, you have to deal it with the util package, so import it. Once after importing it, you can do d1.getTime. Once you do d1.getTime, you can even print it inside the system.out.println, and this will give you the current time. This will give you the current time in the form of epoch. This is the present time of my laptop. You might be thinking that what exactly is this? Some of you might have heard about this called as epoch. Any one of you have heard about epoch before in your lifetime? Okay. My manual testers will be knowing about epoch converter. No one knows. Megha Adi is saying something, but as you know, I mean, from many classes. Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, tell me again. Machinery.
Machinery convertible, sir. We used to use app to check the date.
That's right. Yeah. So those of you have not yet understood what she said, don't worry, I'll show you. So guys, there is a website called as epoch converter. Whatever the time that you have got here, right? You just have to copy this time and visit that website, paste your time here and click on convert my time to human date. And this is the exact time of my local server. Local server means my laptop, right? What's the time? 27th of August to Tuesday, 2024, 9:39 p.m. IST. This time standard is of Indian time standard, right? GMT plus 5:30. So guys, so if I run this program again, it will give you the current time. Current time means the time at which you ran, right? If I copy this again and go to this website and just run this, you can see some time difference. Hope you guys saw some time difference, right? So guys, what do you guys think? Such kind of data will be placed under what data type? I'm repeating my question. Such kind of data will be placed under what data type?
Long.
Long. That's right. So you guys can see get time return type is a long data type. Just remember this. Just wanted to let you guys know. Guys, I wanted to pay attention here. D1 dot. Can you see the second method called as get date? Can you see in front of get date, there is a cross present. There is a cross mark present over it. Can you guys see that? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Is that cross sign present on the first method called get class? Yes, no?
No.
No. Guys, look at the third method called as get day. Can you see the cross mark on get day?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can you see the cross mark on get time?
Yes. No. No symbol. Means
No
cross is
symbol.
not there.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to let you guys know today, any method which has a cross sign, it means those methods are depreciated in Selenium. Sorry, not Selenium, Java, right? So I repeat it again. Any method which has been crossed like that has been depreciated in Selenium. Depreciated means rest in peace. I mean, those programs are no longer available in Java, right? I want to show you something. If you use those methods, Java will automatically cross it. Can you see such cross? Able to see?
Yes.
So if you use such kind of methods, it will give you a message that, hey, I'm depreciated. Why are you using me? Go and use someone which are not yet depreciated, right? So we are utilizing a get time also because it is not depreciated. but most of the methods present in date class are depreciated, right? So guys, this is the time of the machinery language time, which human can't understand, right? That's why we have a website called as epoch converter, with the help of which I can convert my machinery time into human understandable time, just to let you guys know, right? But guys, Java has a class called as date class. If you invoke one of its constructor using d1.getTime, it can also help you to give you the human understandable time. Look at this d2. What is d2 now? Is this understandable, human understandable now? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now let us understand what exactly I have done. I just created an object of the date class and passed some parameters. You need to answer me now. After creating an object, passing the parameters will invoke what kind of methods?
Non-parameterized.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Non-static.
Static.
Non-strict parameterized.
Okay, let me remind you again. Some of you are right, some of you are absolutely wrong. Let me remind you. I mean, I'm just thinking how many times to remind you. I'm really thinking that how many times to remind you. Let's go back to our scanner class. So what we did in the scanner class, we created an object of it. When we created an object of it, it was giving us the error. Do you guys remember the error? Tell me, what was the error? Tell me.
To import scanner.
The
Tell me the error message.
Mm,
Undefined constructor. It means constructor is not yet defined. So do you know what we did? We passed a parameters, system.in. After passing parameter, which method it was accessing? Constructor, which is of the parameterized nature. I'm giving you example 2 today. I am one class, you are one class. I want to access your constructor, which is parameterized in nature. Listen to me carefully. I'm giving a normal English sentence. I am one class, you are one class. I want to access your constructor, which is parameterized in nature. Will Java allow me to create an object of your class with no parameter?
no.
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 I'm repeating it again for those who have not heard my question. I am one Manish class, you are one student class. You have one constructor which is parameterized in nature. I want to call your constructor which is parameterized in nature. Will Java allow me to just create an object of yours with no parameters?
No.
The answer is Java will not allow me. Java will tell me that, hey, undefined constructor. Next time, please observe the scanner class properly. It will tell me that undefined constructor. So I need to forcefully pass the parameters to invoke the constructor. That's exactly what I'm doing now. I just created an object of the date class and I'm passing some parameters to invoke its constructor of parameterized.
Parameterized.
Okay, watch. So guys, what exactly I have done here? I have just called its constructor and I have just printed my D2. Now you can see my D2. My D2 is now having the date format, right? Now, if you look at this D2, what if tomorrow you need to fetch the 27 out? What if you want to fetch the August out? What if you want to fetch the year out? What if you want to take it out? Take it out means, what if you want to store this in day variable? Date variable. What if you want to store this in the month variable? What if you want to store it in the year variable? All these things are possible. We can do that. Okay. So for that, guys, there is a method, guys, I want to let you guys know today, which is called as toString. toString. toString means what? Convert this to string. Guys, you need to understand today that why toStrings methods will be utilized. Guys, toString methods will be utilized to convert anything to the string. Anything to the string. Why I want to convert anything to the string, guys? Because of only one reason. I want to convert anything to the string because I want to apply the string functions over it. I hope you guys remember the string functions. Those string functions which we are discussing from 2 days, I guess. Right? So guys, I want to convert something to the string because I want to apply the string functions on it. Guys, I also want to tell you, do you guys remember who is the root class of the entire class hierarchy? Tell me.
Object.
Object.
Object class.
As you guys know that object class is a root class of the entire class hierarchy. I want you guys to know this today, that my beautiful object class, who is a grandparent of all the classes, who is a parent of all the classes, right? This object class has a method called as toString, which means no matter which Java class you guys create, toString is always available. Are you guys getting why? Because I hope you guys know that implicitly or explicitly, you always have a relation with object. So until there is an object you definitely have the toString present with you. So I got my input, I got the date. I'm converting this date into toString. Why? Because I want to apply here the string function. Guys, my name is Manish Kumar Tiwari. Using substring, will I be able to take the Manish out, Kumar out, Tiwari out? You guys remember? I think similar kind of problems we have done yesterday with the help of a substring with a single parameter and substring with a double parameter. Hope you guys remember. Same thing I'm trying to do here now. Watch out. I got the whole date format, guys. In that, I want to take the date out. I want to take the month out. I want to take the year out. Guys, I'm also solving you this problem because tomorrow I will show you how to book a hotel. How to book a hotel automation testing. And as you know that to do hotel booking, can you do a hotel booking in past date? The answer is no. Can you do a hotel booking for current time? The answer is no. You can't do a hotel booking for current time. Current time means now. And now the time is past. I hope you got my point, right? I mean, time is running, right? So current time will give you the current time, but after 2 seconds, it will become a past time, right? So guys, you just want to do a hotel booking for the future dates, right? So for those things also, I'm teaching you how to get the future time, right? In future classes, I will also teach you how to do a flight booking. To do the flight booking, you need to get the future date, right? So this will clear all those kind of concepts. Watch out. So you guys can see I am using D2 dot Ashwini and other person, please lower your hand. I'll come back to you. I promise. toString. And guys, with the help of this toString, once I have converted this time into toString, you can see once I converted something to string, the return type has to be string. So same thing I'm writing here string. And I will just write here. I'll just write here time or current time or current time. Okay. Now, guys, I want to take this year out. I want to first take this year out. Can you tell me in a single word answer that if I want to take the year out, how can I do it? With the help of a substring with single parameter or double parameter? Think and talk. Blindly don't talk.
Single parameter.
Single parameter. Single parameter. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, how to get the, what is the indexing of 2024 in that? What is the indexing of this 2 is the challenge. So I'm going to write something. You guys tell me whether it is correct or not. Guys, current time dot length will give me what? Tell me. Current time dot length will give me what?
Length
of the string.
Length of the string. Okay. And if I do -4?
It will be
-4 means?
from
0.
0.
0 means?
2.
It will give 2. 2. It will give 2.
It's
That means
space.
0 is index.
From
Oh,
space.
Two.
Science.
I'm not getting what.
Last
In this
four.
answer, it will
Last
give 2.
So for 16 minus 4, so 12th position of the string.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Minus 5 minutes.
Watch out. Guys, current time dot length will give me the length of the string, right? I'm doing -4. -4 means will it come here or not?
Yes.
I'm trying to get 2024 is what I'm trying to tell, right? Watch out. You will understand now. Don't worry. I'll try to store it in the string and I will mark it as a year equals to, and I will print the year. I'm not sure if this is the right answer, but if it will be wrong, we will correct it. So let's run it. We got 2024, right? I'm going to make it as a 2. If I make it as a 2, then what I will get? Give me a rough idea.
2 4
24. 24.
24.
So you can see I got 24. If I do -1, then
Only 4.
only 4. Are you guys getting the game here? All of you?
Manish,
Yeah, tell me. Someone saying something? Pooja? Okay. Guys, are you understanding now why I have written here -4? Let me know. No.
yes, sir.
Yes.
I have written here -4 because I want the index of this 2. Some of you, is anyone thinking that why it is not -3? Is anyone thinking like that? If yes, talk with me. I'll give you the answer. Don't worry. Talk with me. I hope you guys remember. Length of the string is not the index of the string. If the length is 20, indexing is 0 to 90. So guys, I got the year out, right? I got my year out. Guys, the second task that we have now is I want to get the month out. Can you guys tell me how can I get the month out using single parameter or double parameter substring?
Single.
Double.
Double parameter. Okay, let's try. So current time dot substring double parameter. Yeah. So can someone tell me what will be the starting index of August and ending index of August? Yeah, Pradnya, go ahead.
Starting is 4.
1 minute.
4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. Yeah, 4.
6.
Do you remember that that's not how substring with double
sorry.
parameter works?
7.
4,7.
That-
Wonderful. So this will give me my month. I will now print my month here. I got my month now. Ashwini, you were saying something, right? Go ahead. Ask me now. I'm not yet done this problem, but you can ask me it out. Go ahead.
Actually, the question is from previous class, like constructor or.
Yeah, tell
So
me.
when you were saying that it is calling the parameterized constructor, right? So can we see that parameterized constructor? Which one is it is calling?
Yeah, we can see that. In the scanner class, once after passing your system.in, we can actually see the constructor for it. We can see that. I'll show you today.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, I got my month out, I got my year out. Now I want to get my date out. Help me. Who can help me how to get the date out?
Substring using two parameterized substring.
2 parameter. Tell me what should be the starting and ending?
8 and 9. 8 and 10.
8 and 10.
10.
This will give my date. I got it. Yeah. Guys, now I want to store my date format in this fashion. Now I want to store my date in this fashion. Please write down, this is what I want to do. This is what you have to do now, right? Guys, you have the day, you have the date separately, you have the month separately, and you have the year separately. What do you want to do now? Can you guys tell me by looking into this that what exactly you want to do now? Do you want to concat or do you want to
Concatenate we can do.
you want to do concat? That's right. So let's try doing concat. Watch out. So what I will do here, I will do date concat with month, month concat with year. After concatenating 3 string, my final answer will be string or something else.
String.
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 So let's say this is my date format 1 equals to. It is date, not date. Okay. So this is my date format 1. Let's see how my date format 1 looks like now. My date format 1 is looking like in this manner, called as 27th August 2020. But if you look at the problem, this is not how we are expecting our result to be. We don't want our result to be in this manner. We want our result to be in a different manner. We want the date format to be in date format 2, where after every string there should be a, let's say, there should be a forward slash, right? So what I should do here, I should do concat one more thing. You want to concat with single forward slash, right? And after month also you want to do concat. In that, what should be present? Same, single forward slash, right? So there is a date, single forward slash month, single forward slash year. This is your date format 2. This is what you wanted, right? Now you want the date format 3 also, take example. So how you can get the date format 3?
Hyphen.
Yeah, just write it hyphen. Guys, this is my current time or future time or past time? What do you guys think?
Current.
Past.
Past.
Okay. Now it is past. Okay. So let's imagine that this is my current time. Okay. So this is my current time, right?
Yeah, 22
Okay.
1 current time. Yeah.
The moment we are talking about present, it becoming past. That's a separate story. So this is my current time. Now let's say I want the future time. So future
Manish?
time.
Can we see the output of 29th line?
Oh yeah.
Now this is
Okay. So guys, now I have only my current time. How to get the future time? So guys, I'm pretty sure you guys know well that in a day, how many seconds are there? In a day, how many minutes are there? I mean, I don't want a calculation, but what I'm saying, if I give you the calculator, you can find out, right? You know how many hours are there, how many minutes are there, how many seconds are there, right? So that calculation we need. Watch out. Guys, one more question. If you need the future time, you want to do some addition to the present time or you want to do some subtraction with the present time? Go ahead, talk about it.
Addition with the
Addition. So let's say if I want to know that exactly after 7 days, what will be the time? So I need to do 7 days adding to my current time. That's the logic we need to utilize. Okay. Before I move on, I also want to remind you that in childhood, you have learned about the BODMAS rule. Sorry for talking about a BODMAS now. Some of you might be teaching to your kids probably. I'm not sure. Okay, that's fine. So I need to utilize my BODMAS rule here. Just wanted to inform you. Watch out. So guys, watch out. I got my This helped me to get the present time, right? Here I'm going to do some kind of addition. What I want to do addition here? I want to do some kind of, oh, sorry. Here I want to do some kind of addition. Watch out what kind of addition. Here, guys, I will mention that how many seconds are there. So I'm mentioning 1000. Oh, some mistake happened, right? Compilation issue. I fixed
Bracket is missing.
Guys, 1000 means 1000 millisecond. Guys, 1000 millisecond means 1 second. So this is my 1 second. Okay. Into 60 into 60 into 24. I hope you understood what is 60 into 60 into 24. 24 hours, right? 60 minutes, 60 hours, 1 second, right? So this is about into 1 means addition of 1 day. Into 2 means addition of 2 days. Into 3 means addition of the 3rd day. Let me show you something. If I do into 1, right, it will add the current time with 1 day forward, right? So today is 27th of August 2024, 22:05 IST in India. If I do 1 day addition to it, time will be exactly same, but only the date will get changed. The date will be no longer 27th, but it will be 28th. You guys getting what is happening here? 28th? All of you getting?
Yeah.
It became Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Let's say if I do here into 2 means not tomorrow,
29.
but day after tomorrow,
29.
29th. And into 3, into 3, the salary day, we will reach directly. I mean, just joking. So you guys can see, I want to book a hotel for, let's say, on 30th of August, let's say, because on 30th we get a salary, take example. So, yeah. So this will give me my future date. So you guys can see today is 27th, but I'm getting the future date called as 30. What if I want to get the 2 days past? Then do I need to do addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction.
Subtraction will give you the past date. Addition will give you the future date. Remember one thing, this 1000 is second, minutes, hours, number of hours in a day 24. This into 3 will decide the number of days. 3 means 3 days. 1 means 1 day. 10 means 10 days. Please remember. Guys, today is 27th and I'm doing -3. What date I will get? Any idea?
27.
24? Exactly 3 days back, right? Exactly 3 days back, it was Saturday. Okay. So guys, this is how you need to get the current time, past time, and the future time. Why I taught you this concept? Because in this concept, I have used so many string functions, right? Will probably help you to understand that under what circumstances or which places you have to use the string function. This topic might have helped you a little bit to think little outside of the box, that where else I can use the string function concept, right?